Hi friends, welcome to our Gspace educational platform. Today we meet our friend Jordan. You may have seen him in our previous video.
Hi, Gspace, how are you?
Hi Jordan. I am fine.
I have many questions, Gspace, can you explain to me?
Yes Jordan. I can explain.
Why is the galaxy called the Milky Way?
The Milky Way gets its name from a Greek myth about the goddess Hera, who sprayed milk across the sky. In China it's called the Silver River, and in the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa, it's called the backbone of night.
Why do galaxies rotate?
All the galaxies we can see are rotating. It's this rotational force that counteracts the inward pull of gravity from all the galaxies. If galaxies did not rotate, they'd collapse inward and just join the supermassive black holes at the hearts of galaxies.
What created the sun?
The sun formed more than 4.5 billion years ago, when a cloud of dust and gas called a nebula collapsed under its own gravity.
Is the sun a planet or a star?
The sun is a star. There are lots of stars in the universe, but the sun is the closest one to Earth, and it's the only one in our solar system.
What is inside the sun?
There are three main parts to the sun's interior: the core, the radiative zone, and the convective zone. The core is at the center, at the hottest region, where the nuclear fusion reactions that power the sun occur. Moving outward, next comes the radiative zone.
Why is the sun hot?
The core of the sun is so hot, and there is so much pressure. Nuclear fusion takes place, hydrogen is changed to helium. Nuclear fusion creates heat and photons, light. The sun's surface is about 6,000 Kelvin, which is 10,340 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,726 degrees Celsius.
What happens when the sun dies?
Once all the helium disappears, the forces of gravity will take over, and the sun will shrink into a white dwarf. When a star dies, it injects a massive gas and dust, known as its envelope, into space.
Why is the sun red?
Close to sunset and sunrise, when the sun is close to the horizon, the light has a much longer path through the atmosphere, enhancing this effect. By the time the light reaches us, most of the blue light is scattered away, giving us sunsets that are orange/red in color.
Is the sun on fire?
The sun does not burn, like we think of logs in a fire or paper burning. The sun glows because it is a very big ball of gas, and a process called nuclear fusion is taking place in its core.
Is our sun a star?
Our sun is an ordinary star, just one among hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The sun is composed almost entirely of hydrogen and helium gas.
Thank you, Gspace.